DLVTT, is he in
I
here?
have not seen him just
Hey,
as
J
of yet.
Real, how are you?
J Real's in the house.
I don't think he's in here yet. Anyway, we got fun mail from DLVTT. We just got it today. And we got a nice little card. And it says, "Hi, Dice and Gamblin Granny." He's got that wrong. It should be me first and then you.
I think he's got it perfectly right. Keep reading.
Here's a little appreciation for the warm welcome into your live stream and into the Las Vegas YouTube community. I hope to meet you both one day in Vegas. Thank you for all the lovely slot play. I really don't do slot play all that well, but we try to make it entertaining, don't we?
We try.
I'm actually learning a little bit of it. Hope that it pays off for me the next time I'm in Vegas. Best wishes and stay safe. DLVTT.
That was super nice.
It was very nice. And he sent us a business card. And then we've got some.
I want to say hi to Crystal K real quick.
Hey, Crystal.
And there's Dave's Poems and Songs. Hi, Granny. He said it right.
Welcome in.
Well, he said Grace, but that's probably a typo. Granny and Dice, welcome in, welcome in.
Crystal is so excited because she for sure gets to come to Rocktober because they've opened up the.
Nice.
I think partial borders. Anyway, let's get back to this. DLVTT with his wristbands, and on the back it says, "From Copenhagen to Las Vegas." Very, very nice. Thank you so much.
And these glow in the dark.
Yeah, they glow in the dark. They're pretty cool.
I was already in the bathroom checking it out.
And one of these is for Grandma Joanne, so she gets another wristband too.
She's getting quite the collection.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, she is.
We haven't even had her on the show yet. We need to have her on the show. So thank you, DLVTT. I know you will rewatch this. I'm sure he's probably in bed because it's like 3 a.m. So thank you so much. We got it today.
Well, if we can train her to make drinks, maybe she can be on the show. She can be like our bartender. That'd be kind of cool.
That would be kind of